Good morning, everyone. This is Bill with Severe Radar Watchers. Going to give you a daily weather update for June 30th, 2020. We're going to be looking at the SPC, the NAM, and a little bit of GR Earth for our current conditions. So let's get right to it. We're looking at the convective outlook for today. You notice we have a slight risk, which is a level 2 risk for the Dakotas, a little bit of Minnesota, some corner of Iowa, and in Nebraska. And then we got a level 1 risk in that area also that includes Montana, a little bit of Kansas, more of Iowa and Minnesota. And then down in the lower Ohio Valley into Georgia and the Carolinas, we have a level 1 risk for some storms today. This is the tornado outlook given by the Storm Prediction Center. They're saying a 2% chance for tornadoes today in the Dakotas and Nebraska. Then they put a 15% chance of wind risk in that area and a 5%. And then down to the south in the lower Ohio Valley in Georgia and Carolinas, you have a 5% risk for some damaging winds. And then the same with the hail. We got the 5% and then your 15% in Dakotas, Nebraska, and then your 5% for some hail down here in lower Ohio Valley in the Carolinas. What we're looking at here is College DuPage, the NAM nest for the Dakotas. As you notice, this is around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, which is 3 p.m. Central to 2 p.m. Mountain. Notice the storms are firing up over there, and then they really take shape around around 2 o'clock tonight. So the Dakotas are between 8 and 10, and Nebraska. Kind of keep a watch out for some severe weather and some pop-up storms in your area at that time. And it's going to continue on through the night, move over into Minnesota and Iowa into the early morning hours. And we'll change the location real quick. That way you get a little bit better view of it. Here we're looking at Nebraska, Kansas, Minnesota, and Iowa as these storms progress. This right here this starts around 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 9 p.m. Central, and 8 p.m. Mountain. This be Central Time, so this be around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You can expect some heavy storms along this MCS that's showing here as it goes across into Iowa throughout the nighttime hours. And then we'll look at a little bit of Georgia, south, the lower Ohio Valley region, and then we'll just move on down to the southern region. As you see, you can still see that MCS coming across. This is around 4Z. This would be around midnight Eastern Daylight Time, 11 Central Daylight Time. As it moves across Iowa and through the nighttime hours, this will be into your Wednesday morning. But looking at this afternoon in Indiana, Illinois, you see there's a few pop-up showers coming in around 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Daylight Time, around Tennessee. There in Illinois, there's a few over in Kentucky. As it moves across, And then we'll look at the South real quick. Southern states, Carolinas. See what we can expect down here for the day. Just some pop-up clusters. I'm seeing around mainly in the upper South Carolina, North Carolina border. This is around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. As the storms progress, there is some more pop-up showers that comes. This is at 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Then we go to about 8 p.m. Notice about 8 o'clock there, the Georgia South Carolina border. We got some a good pop-up cell in this area right here. Probably got some heavy downpour. Maybe even some little hail could be possibly in that storm later today. All this is probabilities. This is not guaranteed, but this is what we could possibly expect for your area today in the South. Now we'll go to GR Earth and look at it real quick. Current conditions, current radar real. As you notice, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning at this time in Bismarck. Produce about inch and a half hail possibly in this system. And then we got some heavy rains and some thunder with some hail down here in Illinois, in Evansville, Indiana. And we got a flash flood warning for Caldwell County in western Kentucky, Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky until 2:05 today. At 8:09 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorm producing heavy rains across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in portions of Caldwell County over the past hour. Flash flooding is ongoing and expected to begin shortly. But then we got another flash flood warning over here in West Virginia. It remains in effect till 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time today for South Central Cabell County, Western Lincoln, Northwestern Logan, and East Central Wayne counties. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have already fallen, and flash flooding is occurring. Remember, turn around, don't drown. If you see a flooded road, go the other way. Do not go through barricades. More people die in a lot of flooding. So like I said, turn around, don't drown. If you see a flooded area. And with a lot of these storms today, we're expecting some heavy rains, lightning, and hail. We're looking at the SPC here on GR Earth. And with this frequent lightning, just stay indoors if all possible. And they just issued a new warning here, so let me go to it. Some more flash flood warnings up here in Iowa and Illinois and Missouri. National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Van Buren County and southeastern Iowa, northwestern Clark County, northeastern Missouri until 2:45 today. Emergency personnel and train spotters reported water over several roadways across southeast Van Buren and northwest Clark counties. Additional flash flooding concerns are likely through the next few hours as heavy rain continues to fall. Flash flood warning remains in effect till 12:30 Central Daylight Time for western Hancock County, southeastern Van Buren, and Lee and Clark counties. EMA reported water over an eastbound lane of Highway 2 near the intersection of Highway 1 south of Kennesawa. Doppler radar estimates around 3 to 5 inches of rain have already fallen in this area and across portions of southeast Van Buren and northeast northern Clark counties. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. And then flash warning remains in effect until noon Central Daylight Time for north central Adams. Doppler radar indicated mainly showers across north central Adams County as the thunderstorms producing heavy rains have moved west of the area. Up to 3 inches of rain fell overnight, and flooding of low-lying areas likely this morning as the rain tapers off. So that's a look at what's happening now in your area. Like I said, today with the SBC putting the outlook out, I want to get a little short video, give you a heads up what can be happening, what you can expect for your day. As always, stay weather aware in these areas. Don't go into a flooded area. Turn around. Don't drown. Make sure you have your weather alerts on, and even on your wireless devices, turn those on. Join our Facebook, our Twitter, our Discord. Like and subscribe to us. This is a list of our stuff. We are Severe Radar Watchers on Facebook. You can add us at Severe Weather W1 on Twitter. Severe Radar Watchers on YouTube. Like I said, follow us and subscribe for severe weather information and live streams. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.